This video will cover the correct way to replace the ProConnect pump. First, perform the pressure relief procedure by disconnecting the power supply and turning the prime spray knob down to the prime pump position. Remove the cup assembly. Remove the tip guard assembly and turn the prime spray knob forward to the spray position. Remove the crosshead screw from prime pump spray knob and remove the knob. Next, remove the 7 crosshead screws from the sprayer enclosure and remove the enclosure cover. Now that the enclosure has been removed, carefully remove the pump assembly from the Smart Control enclosure. On brushless sprayers, use a wrench to hold the pump bearing and remove the screw that retains the static dissipation wire. It is important to save the screw. The new pump assembly will come with a yellow pump locking device attached to it. Don't remove it until the pump is successfully installed in the Smart Control housing. On brushless sprayers, use a wrench to hold the pump bearing and reinstall the static dissipation wire screw. Removing the pump locking device and/or spinning the gear before installation will permanently damage the pump. Do not turn the pump gear before installing the enclosure cover. Place the new pump assembly into the Smart Control housing, making sure the bearing is in the enclosure boss and the gear meshes with the motor gear. Once the pump assembly is aligned in the Smart Control enclosure, push the pump assembly down into the Smart Control enclosure. The pump locking device will snap away from the pump assembly. Next, install the enclosure cover and install the 7 crosshead screws, making sure the wires are not pinched when the enclosure halves are put together. See the manual for correct torque specifications. You will need to install the prime pump spray knob so the knob is pointing forward. Install the crosshead screw at the back of the knob. Make sure the prime pump spray knob only rotates forward and down. Attach the tip guard assembly. Attach the cup assembly. Finally, verify that the pump assembly has been properly installed by rotating the prime pump spray knob forward to the spray position and down to the prime pump position. Next, fill the cup assembly with water and verify that the sprayer primes and sprays correctly. Follow setup instructions in the sprayer operation manual for the proper priming and spraying procedures. If the sprayer fails one of these steps, repeat the pump replacement procedures. If you are still experiencing problems with your sprayer, consult your local Graco Service Center.